And this is how my setup looks like before and after buying a brand new RGB light bar. The Quntis RGB light has a setting for every movement. But why did I choose this monitor light? So for the last couple of days I was thinking to upgrade my setup, but the issue was that my budget is less than Yes, you also may say what I can get in this budget. However, I decided to get a new light bar for my monitor, but for untraditional and come boring with normal light with one set. So after watching too many YouTube reviews and videos, I finally decided to bought this brand new RGB light bar. And the best part is that it's not operated with a remote like a usual light bar. Instead, in this budget, you will get a touch control. By the way, its model number is MC201, which you can find on Amazon or Quntis official website. I have also linked it for you in the description. Now let's unbox this and then I will tell you why I purchased this Quntis light bar. Dynamic RGB LED monitor lamp. Firstly, a handed guide for all of you. But if you watch this whole video, then you do not need this user manual. So keep this side. Okay, now next we have a warranty card for this product. So I will save it properly. And now it's the time to show you the brand new Quntis RGB LED monitor lamp. With metal body. So now I will demonstrate how to install it on your own monitor. First, remove this ORV and stick this light bar to a monitor like this. They give some kind of adhesive tape in this ORV. It will prevent anything from falling out. And now simply plug it to your charger or your power bank, then it's ready to use. Alright, so it is on. And you must have seen the start of the video that is were glowing like RGB, but now green color only visible. So do not stress because it's not change this color with any remote control, but you can change this color or you can simply switch to RGB mode by clicking like this on this light bar. So you can single press it, its colors will change like this, and in the same way it's also come in RGB mode. Now to control its brightness, double click on its touch control. You will see that its light increase or decrease, and in the same way you can also control another front light. And one more important thing, the monitor light bar really provides that finishing touch to your desk but helps in minimizing eye stress as well, which makes it more special. Therefore, if your pocket also allows only spending $50 or below on the best monitor light bar, then there is no question that you should be getting this one. And first of all, in this you have RGB ambient light. Second, that in such a low budget that you will get the touch screen feature. With this, and it's made of high quality material and its anti-glare design makes it far better than any monitor light bar. So I have given it link in my description, so you purchase it from there and tell me in the comment which feature of it do you like most. And if you are interested in AI tools, then definitely watch this video of mine on my channel.